Hey everybody, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. Today I'm going to discuss mustard oil, whether it's dangerous and toxic or if it's healthy and tasty. So I'll be honest with you, I have gotten a lot of questions about mustard oil and if it's okay to eat and what I think about it. And the truth is, I really didn't know much about this oil. Other than the fact, mustard, the kind of mustard I put on my hot dogs growing up, I had no clue what mustard oil was. And again, if it's dangerous or healthy or toxic and tasty. And the good news is that I'm going to give you a quick summary about it in today's video and share with you what I've learned. All right, so mustard oil is made from pressing the seeds of a mustard plant to produce a spicy oil. Now, one reason I hadn't heard much about this oil is because it's popular in Eastern cooking, although some American chefs have begun experimenting with the oil, which has a heat and distinct flavor to it. Now, real mustard oil, however, is actually banned for cooking uses by the FDA. And this is because it contains an ingredient called erucic acid that has been shown to cause heart problems. Now, erucic acid is a fatty acid that is not well metabolized, and it's actually considered a contaminant. However, the FDA does allow a different type of oil called mustard essential oil to be sold for cooking. Now, mustard essential oil is made from steam distillation of mustard seeds, and it's considered safe for use in cooking by the FDA. Now, both mustard oil and mustard essential oil is used for massage, but only the essential version can be used for cooking. However, there are some benefits to mustard essential oil. First of all, it helps boost cardiac and heart health, and this is because it's rich in both mono and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower the bad cholesterol and raise the good ones. It also contains antibacterial and antifungal properties. It also helps improve hair health, and this is because it's high in omega-3 fatty acids, which has anti-inflammatory benefits. And because of this, it also helps reduce pain associated with inflammation. It's also good for treating gum disease, and finally, it's just good for your skin. But this is if you use it topically, again, not orally. Now, I can tell you more about it, but let me just give you the bottom line for mustard oil. Regular, unregulated mustard oil can be dangerous, so don't bother using it. The essential oil version is actually much safer, and you can even cook with it. However, honestly, I wouldn't even bother. You can use it on your skin, and it's better and less risky than eating it, of course. However, even with that, I suggest using other oils for your skin, such as emu, almond oil, and coconut oil. So there you have it. An interesting oil, but there are much better ones, healthier and safer oils for you to use topically and in your foods. Now, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share the help with others so they can benefit as well. Also, in the comment section below, do me a favor and let me know what you learned today and what you liked. And also, I need one big favor from you. Please let me know the topics that you like for me to cover in my videos. I have a special link below under the description area that you can fill out just a quick little question. It'll go directly to me to my private email box. This helps me make videos that you want to watch about topics that you're interested in. As always, thanks for listening and have a happy and healthy day.